Good morning, students. Today I am going to start chapter number 7, The Glimpses of India, part 3, Tea from Assam. The chapter is written by Anup Kumar Datta, was born in 1946 at Jorhat in Assam. He was educated at Sanawar and at Delhi University. He served as a professor in English for many years at JB College, Jorhat. His published work, The Adventure Stories 1978, The Brahmaputra 2001, have been translated into many foreign languages. थीम ऑफ अ स्टोरी क्या है इस स्टोरी में टी फ्रॉम गार्डन में? इन टी फ्रॉम आसाम, Anup Kumar Datta describes how popular tea has become as a beverage in the world. Over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world. It shows the increasing popularity of tea. The lesson gives a graphic description of the sea of tea bushes stretching as far as eye can go Assam. यानी जहाँ तक आइज जाती है वहाँ तक कहा क्या है? सिर्फ चाय और चाय के बागान. The plucking of the newly sprouted leaves by groups of tea pluckers with bamboo baskets on their backs are vividly or clearly described in this lesson. So now students, let's start. Pranjal, a youngster from Assam, is Rajveer's classmate at school in Delhi. Pranjol's father is the manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam, and Pranjol has invited Rajiv to visit his home during the summer vacation. Chai garam, a vendor called out in a हाई पिच्ड वॉइस. स्टूडेंट्स जब भी हम कहीं जाते हैं ट्रेन में बैठकर तो हम देखते हैं कि स्टेशन पे देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ चाय वेंडर्स और वो चाय गरम करते हुए हमारे पास आते हैं. ही केम अप टू देयर विंडो एंड आस्क्ड, चाय साहब, गिव अस 2 cups. Pranjal said that please give us 2 cups. They sipped the steaming hot liquid. Almost everyone in their compartment was drinking tea too. वो लोग दोनों लोग चाय पी रहे हैं, बल्कि कंपार्टमेंट में जितने लोग बैठे हैं सभी लोग चाय पी रहे हैं इस समय. डू यू नो दैट ओवर 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world? Rajiv said. Wow, exclaimed Pranjal. Tea really is a very popular. सही बात है. It's correct. Absolutely right. Tea is very popular beverages in the world. The train pulled out of the station. ट्रेन धीरे धीरे स्टेशन से आगे बढ़ती है. Pranjal buried his nose in the detective books again. प्रांजल जो है उसको डिटेक्टिव बुक पढ़ने का बहुत शौक है, वो डिटेक्टिव बुक पढ़ रहा है. राजीव टू वॉज एन ardent fan of this Rajiv too was an ardent fan of detective stories, but at the moment he was keener on looking at the beautiful scenery. तो इस लेकिन उसको भी डिटेक्टिव बुक पसंद है, लेकिन इस समय वो क्या कर रहा है? बाहर किसी ब्यूटीफुल सीन देख रहा है. इट वॉज ग्रीन एवरीवेयर. सब जगह ग्रीन है. राजीव हैड नेवर सीन सो मच ग्रीनरी बिफोर. राजीव ने इससे पहले इतनी ग्रीनरी कभी नहीं देखी थी. देन द सॉफ्ट ग्रीन पैडी फील्ड गेव वे टू टी बुशेस. टी बुशेस के बीच में ग्रीन पैडी फील्ड्स भी थे. इट वॉज अ मैग्निफिकेंट व्यू. बहुत वंडरफुल व्यू था ये. अगेंस्ट द बैकड्रॉप ऑफ डेंसली वुडेड hills, a sea of tea bushes stretched as far as the eye could see, dwarfing the tiny tea plants were tall, sturdy shade trees, and amidst the orderly rows of bushes, busily moved doll-like figure. तो कैसे दिख रहे थे कि वो doll-like figure की तरह दिख रहे थे. So now tea is very popular in India. At every platform of railway station, you can hear vendors saying chai, garam chai. You can find everywhere in the compartment sipping the steam hot tea. Over 80 crores cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world. It was green everywhere. जो राजीव है वो हर समय, राजवीर है वो, उसको क्या दिख रहा है कि सब जगह ग्रीन है एवरीवेयर. राजवीर हैड नेवर सीन सो मच ग्रीनरी बिफोर. द ग्रीन पैडी फील्ड gave way to tea bushes. Small tea bushes stretched as far as the eye could see. जहाँ तक आंखें जा रही हैं, हमारी नज़र, उसकी इनकी नज़र जा रही थी, वहाँ से वहाँ तक सिर्फ चाय और चाय के बागान ही थे. Amid the tall, sturdy, shady trees, there were rows of tea bushes. Pranjul was born and brought up on the plantation. So he was not excited. Assam has the largest concentration of the tea plantation in the world. In the distance, one an ugly building with the smoke, billowing out of the tall chimneys. Hey, a tea garden! Rajiv cried excitedly. राजीव ने पहले कभी ऐसा नहीं देखा था, इसलिए उसको बड़ा ही एक्साइटमेंट हुआ. बोला टी गार्डन. Pranjul, who had been born and brought up on a plantation, didn't share Rajiv's excitement. अब प्रांजूल तो ऐसी उसमें पैदा हुआ था, तो उसको इतना एक्साइटमेंट नहीं था. Oh, this is a tea country now, he said. Assam has the largest concentration of plantation in the world. You will see enough garden in last your lifetime. I have been reading as much as I could about tea, Rajveer says. राजवीर ने क्या कहा कि वो टी के बारे में बहुत कुछ जानना चाहता है. No one really knows who discovered tea, but there are many legends. कोई नहीं जानता कि टी की डिस्कवरी किसने की, पर उसके पीछे बहुत सारी कहानियाँ हैं. What are legends? No one really knows who discovered tea. One Chinese emperor had always boiled water before drinking it. Well, there is the one about the Chinese emperor who always boiled water before drinking it. One day, a few leaves of the twigs burning under the pot fell into the water, giving it a delicious flavor. It is said they were tea leaves. So, कह सकते हैं कि one emperor, Chinese emperor, had always boiled water before drinking it. A few leaves of the twigs burning under the pot fell into the water. It gave a delicious taste, delicious flavor. It is said they were tea leaves. कि वो कौन सी leaves थी? Tea leaves. According to an Indian legend, Bodhidharma, an ancient Buddhist ascetic people, cut off his eyelids because he felt sleepy during meditation. 10 tea plants grew out of his eyelids. The leaves of tea banished sleep. Tea was first drunk in China about 2700 BC. So, student, tell me another scoffed Pranjul. We have an Indian legend मैंने बताया. Put tea was first drunk in China. सबसे पहले चाय कहाँ पी गई? चाइना में. Rajveer added as far back as 2700 BC. In fact, words such as tea, chai and chini are from Chinese. Tea come to Europe only in 16th century. मतलब यूरोप में टी कब आई? 16th century में. And was drunk more as medicine than as beverages. बेवरेज के रूप में नहीं, मेडिसिन के रूप में पहले उसको यूज़ किया जाता था. द ट्रेन क्लैटर्ड इनटू मरियानी जंक्शन. कहाँ पर आई ट्रेन? मरियानी जंक्शन पर. द बॉयज कलेक्टेड देयर लगेज. लड़कों ने अपना सामान इकट्ठा किया. किसने? प्रांजल और राजवीर ने. एंड पुश्ड देयर वे टू द क्राउडेड प्लेटफॉर्म. और वो क्राउडेड प्लेटफॉर्म पर आ जाते हैं. प्रांजुल्स पेरेंट्स वर वेटिंग फॉर देम. प्रांजुल के पेरेंट्स पहले से ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे उनका वेट कर रहे हैं. सून दे वर ड्राइविंग टूवर्ड्स देखिया बारी, द टी गार्डन मैनेज्ड बाय प्रांजुल्स फादर. वहाँ पर प्रांजुल के फादर का एक टी गार्डन है. एन आवर लेटर द कार veered sharply off the main road. They crossed the cattle bridge as entered Dekiabari tea state. On both sides of the gravel road were acre upon acre of tea bushes, all neatly pruned to the same height. Groups of the tea pluckers with bamboo baskets or their backs, wearing plastic aprons, were plucking the newly sprouted leaves. Pranjo's father allowed down to allow a tractor pulling a trailer load of tea leaves to pass. This is the second flush or sprouting period, isn't it, Mr. Barua? Rajiv Rajveer asked. It lasts from May to July and yields the best tea. यानी मई टू जुलाई तक हम अच्छी क्वालिटी की टी पा सकते हैं. You seem to have done your homework before coming, Pranjo's father said in surprise. Yes, Mr. Barua, Rajveer admitted, but I hope to learn much more while I am here. So students, acre upon acre of tea bushes were spread over the slope. They were all pruned to the same height, सब same height के थे. Groups of tea pluckers with bamboo baskets on their backs were plucking the newly sprouted leaves. A tractor was pulling a trailer load of leaves. Rajveer asked if it was the second flush of a sprouting period. It lasts from May to July and held the best tea. So, students, this is the third unit of the chapter Glimpses of India, Tea from Assam. Watch this video carefully and understand the chapter. Thank you.